Welcome to day 4, Thursday, September 17th. Let's see what we have to do today. Remember to watch this video. After you watch the video, you will click on Async. You are going to do a small paragraph, a short paragraph on netiquette. If you recall, we talked about netiquette earlier this week. You will watch this short video and remember to read all of the directions before you begin. All right, and you will do a short paragraph in the comment section. Read all of the directions before you make your comment. Also, remember to check for spelling and some grammar before you post. And that's it for your asynchronous work for Thursday. It is Thursday, so we will have Zoom class together. So for our sync session, we have a few things. We will do check-ins, some community building. We will do a quick review on sentences and fragments, and we will go deeper into what netiquette is and how it relates to our virtual class. And that's it for Thursday, September 17th. Good luck.